Hello gorgeous, bienvenidos or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz and I'm here today with a new video. So in today's video, I share with you guys a get to know me tag and how I achieved this makeup look. So if you're interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's do some makeup. I'm going in with my Honest Hydrogel Cream. Moisturize my skin because we need that hydration. I honestly feel like this moisturizer is my favorite. Between this one and the Dose of Colors, those are my two favorite, but I think I like this one more. I'm going to let that moisturizer sit on my skin for a little bit and I'm going to move on with eyebrows. And for that today, I'm using the Anastasia Powder Duo. To start off with the eyes, today I'm going to use the Dior concealer. So for today's video, I think I want to do a get to know me tag. Just a few questions so you guys get to know me a little bit, since I feel like my channel is growing little by little and we can get connected and know each other. When I was younger, when I was a teenager, my godmother used to call me Lizzie. And I always remembered Lizzie McGuire. I think that's why I think she still does, calls me Lizzie, which is cute. Like, to set that eyelid, I'm using the One Size translucent powder. For the eyes today, I'm using the Michoacan blush palette from Metamorphosis. It's this brand from Instagram, TikTok, and I'm feeling the orange today. So going in with this Zamora blush, and I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. I'm 28 years old. I just turned 28. The number scares me because I'm like, oh my God, I'm almost hitting 30 years old. And it scares me, but then like I feel so young at heart. It's crazy. Like, and you see me and I don't look my age. I feel like I look, I don't know, like 20, well, not 20, well, wait, hold on. But I feel like I look like 23. And when they ask my age and I'm like guess it, they'd be like 24, 25, and I'm like, yes. I'm gonna prep the lashes for falsies, and I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. I didn't even curl it, but it's okay. I am 100% Latina. My family is from Dominican Republic. I was born in New York and raised most of my lifetime in Dominican Republic. So English is my second language basically, because my mom does not speak English. I learned English in school, but I wasn't practicing it that much, you know, so maybe that's why like I have an accent, and it's okay. It's totally fine because I don't care. As long as I can communicate and understand and give the message, I'm good. Let me zoom you guys in so we can be up close and personal. Yes, okay. I'm doing this combo today. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but it's the Sephora Best Skin Ever and the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. I have this one in the number 310 and this one Sephora 33N. So I'm gonna put this one first and then this one. I feel like this is not my shade, honestly, but we're gonna have to make it work. Ooh, I put too much. I just want a little bit, like, for that glow, even though I'm already glowy. Oh my god. No wonder I haven't been using this that much. This is heavy scented. Heavy. Oh my goodness. I'm the youngest of, I think it's 8 of us, because I have more brothers and sisters from my father's side. And from my mother's side is only my brother, which he is Down syndrome and he's older than me. Here is him and my mom. Aren't they the cutest? Yes, they are. Yes. Now going in with the Sephora 33N and apply. I think I put too much. What else is new? My father passed away when I was 2 years old. He had a lot of health issues. To bring some warmth into my skin, I am going in with the LYS. If you know, you know. This is my favorite. So my passion for YouTube and makeup started, like, I will say like 9 years ago. I started watching all the oldies but goodies beauty gurus from YouTube. Jaclyn Hill, Juicy Jazz, Kathleen Hill, Kathleen Hills, Kathleen Light. I started buying makeup, yeah, like 9-10 years ago, and watching all those videos and like wanting to experiment this that I'm doing right now. And finally, 9 years later, I am here, giving it a shot. For concealer, the Dior Better Skin, is this called? Forever Skin Correct, oh my god. In 3N. I did not go to college. I went to an institute and I did a course which was medical assistant, which I'm not working. But I really like anything that has to do with like medical, taking care of people, you know. I like that field, but I don't like to study. I'm sorry, but I don't like to study. I never did. I was not a back student. I mean, I wasn't great either, but I don't know. I feel like school was not meant for me. To set the under, I'm again using the One Size in translucent. Okay. This freaking concealer doesn't crease on me like others. Alright, so I'm gonna set the rest of my face. That is instant matteness. Like, look at this glowy. Look at this. Yes. I don't have any kids yet. Definitely want to have 2 or 3. Because since I'm the only one that can make my mom a grandma, I gotta make her a big grandma, right? If that makes any sense. But yes, I want to have 2 or 3 kids. I am currently engaged to the most amazing person on earth. Another fact about me, I have like 310,000, 100 billion yes personalities. I'm going to add a little bit of pink on my waterline. This is Handayan from Shein. Excuse me. Watery, watery, watery. I have very watery eyes. And I feel like it's been getting better the more I apply makeup. But before, oh my god, it was terrible. Going in with the Michoacan blush palette from Metamorphosis. I used this one on the crease, so I think I'm gonna go in with, let's dive into all of them. But I'm gonna go lightly because I'm scared. Look at this pigment. Oh my god. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Let me share it with this side. Holy moly. Blend, blend, blend. Using a clean brush. Taking another clean brush. And blending. Okay, I think that's better. For lips, I'm using the Rare Beauty in Wise. I'm going to outline my lips. Wow, this is my first time using this lip liner and it's very creamy, very pigmented and easy to work with. To put in the center of the lips, I'm using the Sephora Lip Stain in 74. I think this is vanilla something. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. If I do not like this combo, it's gonna go bye-bye. This is very light. Let me blend this. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this blush and apply it in the center of the lips. Hopefully that ties the look together. If it doesn't, then I'm taking this lip combo off. Let me go in with Nueva Italia. It's like this deep orange. No. I'm taking this off. I'm going in with the NYX Lip Fat Oil. Or fat oil. Whatever. In the color Follow Back. Which is perfect because it's like orangey. I still have some of that lip liner on, which I'm not mad about. I feel like I need a little bit of highlights in my life, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the Essence Pure Nude and Be My Sunlight. I'm applying some of this in my inner corners right here. To lock everything in place, I'm using the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist from e.l.f. That completes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Stay safe, and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye.